Welcome. This is Jamb year 2013 government past question. Question number 28 says, in Nigeria First Republic, the Prime Minister was both the dash. In Nigeria First Republic, the Prime Minister was both the dash. First Republic took place in 1963. Yes, 3 years after Nigeria got her independence. So the function of the Prime Minister, or the role the Prime Minister entails head of state and lawmaker. That is A. B says head of state and commander-in-chief of the army forces. C. Commander-in-chief of the army forces and party leader. D. Head of state and party leader. The role of the head of state entails head of government and lawmaker. So option A is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more of our videos.